Namaste children, welcome to Crystal Maths. Today in class we are going to see the coordinate geometry chapter. In that we will see distance formula. I'll draw a line in this. What is the length of this line? Right. If I ask what is the length of this line means, immediately you will see the position of these 2 points. Here if we observe, this is nothing but in x-axis 1. At the same time, here in this position, it is nothing but 6 for in some 7 or 8 it will be. So, what is the length of this line? The distance between these 2 points. The distance is nothing but 5.7. What we did here? We subtracted 6.7 minus 1. We got 5.7. The same way, if I am drawing a line like this, what is the length of this line or distance between the points these 2? That is, we will subtract 6 minus 3 centimeters or 3 units, you will say. Suppose if I am plotting points, these call it as A and B. Now I am going to find the distance between A and B using the concept in geometry. For that, directly we can't do this. What I am going to do, I am going to draw a perpendicular on x-axis in both the faces like that. Now, draw a parallel line to x-axis in this place. So, what we are getting? We got a right triangle here. Right triangle in the sense, this intersecting point, call it as C. Now, what is the coordinate of A? Coordinates of A is nothing but x value is 2 and y value is 2. Okay. Now for this point, that is C. What are the coordinates for C here? C coordinate is 6, and y value is 2. What are the coordinates for B? 6, this will be 5. Now we need to find the distance between A and B. Now, look at the graph. We can find that one. What is the distance here? This is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units are there. So, 4 units means how we are getting the 12. We are subtracting 6 minus 2 and mentioning as 4 units. The same way, what is the distance between these 2? That is, here it is 5. So, and this one will be 2. So, we are getting the answer as 3. So, we are moving 3 units over here. So, 3. What is the length of AB? Using Pythagoras, we can tell that one. This is AB square will be equal to AC square plus CB square. AC square is nothing but 4 square plus CB square is 3 square, which is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. So AB equal to 5. Square root of 25 is 5 units. Now we are going to learn how to do that one using coordinate geometry. It is very simple. The formula for distance formula is nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now, if we observe, we will come to know here how we got the 4. How we are getting the 12? 6 minus 2. Right? Here, 6, this is second number. So, we are calling this as a second value. This is x2 and this one as x1. We got 4 as what? 6 minus 2. So, x2 minus x1. The whole square, we squared it. So, x2 minus x1 the whole square. And y2. What about this one? We actually mentioned BC square. How we got this BC as 3? We subtracted 5 minus 2. That is the second unit, whatever we have, this as y2. And first what we mentioned as y1 it will be, it's nothing but y2 minus y1. 5 minus 2 the whole square. So, AB square is this one. I want AB. AB is nothing but, if we take square root, we are getting the answer. So, from this we can remember very easily what is the distance between any 2 points co-ordinate geometry in a graph. x2 square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. The same thing if we are drawing the line in any place we can form the right triangle. Suppose if I am drawing a line like this, already it is forming a right angle triangle between. Suppose if I have a diagram like this if I have also, what we can do, just we need to draw a line parallel to x-axis, here also parallel to x-axis, and if we join, we are getting a right triangle. From that we can use the formula only. Every time it's not required to draw and do it, it's not possible also. So we can remember this formula for finding the distance between any two points. Thank you.